Okay, so now we have seen how we can create the dictionary. Now I want to show you how we can access the value stored inside a key. So now simple. So let me first create a dict which is a nested one. Let's start with a simple one. So my dict, and you pass it like a name. Okay, so John, simple. So instead of the index, you need to pass it on the key of the. Similarly, if you want to access, let me put that here, access value using key. Similarly, we'll see if for the age, and we'll see for the key which we have city. Perfect. So that is simple. This is how, this is a very simple dictionary. And also we can see how we can view the keys. So okay, so we'll see that in iteration, how we to iterate. But let's see now another let me create my dict a little complex to understand, where I want my. Okay, so let me use the same dict, and or let me use this one. So let's assume this is a student and city is London, and then I have a key called scores, and that also can have a dict. Okay, and then I say have, let's say I have maths, and I have like 90, then I have science, let's say, or let's just to, we'll remove this city, so science is 98. Okay, perfect. Or make it a grades or marks. Okay, so now what we have is my dict, a little complex, where I do have a dictionary inside a dictionary. So this is also one of the very common way you will experience when you start working on dictionaries. So let's say I want to access the marks scored in science. How can I do that? So first of all, I know that which key it is. Now you should know that this is the key. So marks is the key which I am looking for, right? So if I access marks, I will have access to this dictionary. Now I want to access which key here. So I want to access the science key. So what I'll do is I'll just simply tell, and that's how I can access. And let's say if this dictionary even grows bigger, go tomorrow, like marks, then I have let's say I have marks, inside I have BOARDS, boards, or let's say finals, and then finals can have maths and science score, and then also I will have one second, and then I have finals is one, and then interim, or you say pre-finals. In pre-finals I might have some scores. Okay, so something of that sort. So let's say I'll change value. Score has gone up, this has gone down a bit, this is something like that. Okay, so this is also my dict. Okay, so this is a dict. Now I want to access how much marks the student has scored in pre-finals maths. Okay, so how can I do that? You start with myDict, which is the dictionary. Again, I want to access this marks, right? And then with I did that, I will have access to this both the dicts. Now I want to check in the pre-finals key, right? Pre-finals. Now I will have access to this dictionary, and then I want to check the maths marks, and that's it. So we have navigated into a nested and even nested kind of a dictionary, and that's the key, right? So just follow the keys and get the value. That's a simple rule. Okay, so not big that's not a rocket science, but it's just a simple, you need to know which keys I'm accessing and where this value is, and that's how you can navigate and access the value. That's all for this video. See you in another video.